Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here, Natural Transplants in the DC office. And today we're excited. We got Eric coming in from Virginia.
Yep.
Good to see you, man. Eric, thanks for doing this, first of all. Appreciate you.
Yep.
You know, helping people out. It helped you, I know, so you're kind of paying it forward. But share with everybody what we're doing today and also what brings you to us. I know you were looking around for a lot of different places. Why'd you settle on us?
Well, I've looked at other places, and y'all have great reviews. I've watched your videos. I've seen, you know, other places have been, you know, have had like horror shows, you know, with some of their transplants. So the price was good. Everybody seems nice. So,
right.
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, today we're going to be doing the frontal third. You hide it relatively well. I mean, obviously there's some recession there, but when you pull back the hair, it's a little bit more, shows a little bit more. So you can kind of see, obviously, the recession of the hairline up in the corners here, but also some significant thinning in the frontal third. So we're just going to start from the front. Obviously, we want to look natural, age appropriate, and we'll get back as far as we can go. We talked a little bit about this before, but you got the typical white guy hair, very fine, very thin, very straight. So in that 30 to 40% range is probably going to be more on the 30% side. Again, you sort of have to anticipate that second coat of paint may come into play depending on sort of what you're looking for, hair type, that sort of stuff. So I always kind of prep patients at that ahead of time that, you know, this may need a second coat of paint at some point, but the goal is to do it once and be done with it.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Awesome. We'll draw everything out, come back and check on you a little bit later.
Sounds good. Cool. Appreciate it.
All right, we are back. This is actually Eric. He did shave his head, changed his shirt, but it's the same guy. So he went with the shave look. You don't have to do that, but it just looked a little crazy. So he chose the lesser of the two evils. But we dropped the hairline. I think it looks nice and natural, very youthful, but I still think looks like you. You know what I mean? We talked about potentially doing temples. All three of us actually agreed to probably look better without it. I think his face looks very mature, and I think it looks really good without the temples. Plus, that'll save us hair that we can then use further back. So that was his priority anyway. So got several volume on board. You ready to rock and roll?
Yeah, I feel good.
All right, let's do it. All right, we'll see you a little later. All right, Dr. Blumenthal back. We got Eric. We are done, my man. Tell everybody how it went.
Went good. Didn't really feel much. Getting numbed up kind of sucked, but other than that, I'm really happy with how everything went.
Good. Love it, man. We had a fun day today. We watched some movies. You fell asleep a little bit.
Yeah, I fell asleep.
A little Chick-fil-A.
It was
not a bad way to spend the day.
Definitely would recommend coming here. Cool. So
thanks, man.
For sure.
Appreciate it. Yeah. I'm going to zoom in. I'm really happy with the way we went. Really packed it in tight. I think it's going to be a good line on you. I think it's going to look really, really good on you. Love it, man. We went over all the instructions. Yeah. Any words of advice? Someone's out there sort of on the fence thinking about it for a while like you were. What would you tell them?
I put it off for maybe 10 years.
Yeah.
Just take the leap. Do it. It's worth it. Yeah, so
definitely. Sure. I wish I had done it sooner as
well.
Too,
yeah. I wish I would have done it sooner. Yeah.
Eric, man, thanks for doing this. Welcome to the family. Hopefully we'll keep tabs on you as the year goes on. We'll see you in a year.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.